Welcome back to Honest Food Reviews here on this YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a taste test from this specific item that I found at my local Asian market. This is called Panda Pudding Cake. This is so cute. The packaging is so adorable. But we're going to give this a taste test. I'm really excited to see what it tastes like. This is perfect for kids parties, any sort of celebration, or even if your spirit animal is a panda. As you can kind of see, the packaging is adorable. It matches exactly what it says on the packaging, so it looks like it's going to be true to what it says it is. But I love the way it looks. Looks so cute. The first thing I will say, it definitely does smell like a Twinkie. Yeah, it smells like a Twinkie. Looks like a Twinkie. Probably is a Twinkie. Now, when you hold it, it's a little bit greasy. I'm not going to lie, it's a little bit greasy. And it seems a little bit heavy. So this is at least about a pound of weight right here, which is fine because I'll just burn that off very quickly. Let's go ahead and let's bite into it. The side that I ended up biting into had really nothing in the middle. It kind of tastes very bland in terms of flavor profile. Let's go ahead, let's bite it from the other side. I do notice a little bit of cream fill from the back. So let's go ahead and let's bite it from that angle. Now you can really see the leak. Like it's definitely leaking from the back here. This is really cute. I feel like they focus so much on the cuteness of the packaging and the cuteness of the actual product itself. Whether or not I recommend this, I would probably say 0. I would not recommend this in terms of stars, in terms of cuteness, and whether or not you're having a kid's birthday party. This would be ideal. This is perfect for any sort of parties and whatnot. But in terms of flavor, it's definitely lacking. I'll put this roughly around 5 out of 10 stars. It's not bad, it's not great. Would I eat this again? Absolutely. But would I buy it again? No. In terms of affordability for these, for the amount that you get in the packaging, I'll say 10 out of 10. If you have kids that you don't want to get used to the idea of having so much sugar, this is ideal because it literally just tastes like a bottle of nothing with a little bit of sweetness in the center. Other than that, there's not much going for this. They focus so much on the packaging, there's barely anything left in terms of flavor.